Meaning of fridge freezer.
Fridge freezer.
Fridge freezer.
Fridge freezer.
Fridge freezer. A fridge freezer is a combined household appliance that integrates a refrigerator and a freezer compartment into a single unit. It allows you to store both fresh and frozen food in one place, making it convenient for households with limited kitchen space. The refrigerator compartment is typically located at the top of the unit, while the freezer is at the bottom. Some models may have side-by-side doors or separate compartments for each section. Fridge freezers come in varying sizes, styles, and features to accommodate different needs and preferences. Generally, they are considered an essential appliance for modern living.